In the previous video, we have configured our front end with this. So we have the various IDs that we're going to use in the back end. So here, let's call the WebView class, the ProgressBar class, and the swipe refresh layer class. Ensure you import the class or it will not work properly. Just take your console. This is so inside our own create method, let's hook our WebView, ProgressBar, and swipe refresh to the front and the user interface that we have created before with using their IDs. So the WebView, we give it ID, the WebView ID. Okay, let's set our WebView parameter using get setting method. So WebView.get setting. Dot, let's allow file access. We allow JavaScript enable. This take a boolean argument, true or false. So we will say true here. We want this. Also true. There are a lot of features that you can configure here. You can configure zoom to allow your app to be zooming the pages. But we're not going to use that here. So let's call our website here, webview.load URL. Okay, wrong spelling. Ensure you input the correct URL, the website link that you are turning into the app. Now let's configure our WebView client. We'll set our WebView client, which will allow us to use the on page start, on page finished, on error received, and should override loading or. We want our web view to be able to show us the progress with the progress bar, and when it stopped, should not display the progress bar. So we call on them Control O. We bring up this pop-up here. So on page start, we want to show our progress bar. So our progress bar indicator should be visible here once the page starts. So progress bar dot set visibility view dot visible. Visible in capital. Okay. Yeah. And once our page is fully loaded, we want to dismiss the progress bar. So let's just copy it and paste it on the on page finished. So remove the visible and let's replace it with the gone or invisible. Now on error received, we want to use a custom error page. Okay, I choose the wrong one, so let me remove it and put the right word. Control O on error received, yes. We want to remove this, the super on error received. Let's add our asset folder. Type assets, choose the right one, main slash asset. Okay, I've already built my HTML file that I want to display. You can display anything, you can display image, you can display a website, anything here. So I just copy them to my asset folder. I'm going to use the index page. So let's remove this, let's delete. And let's show a toast message to our users. Once they encounter error, we want to show a message to them. Instead of web activity.this, we are going to use the get application contest. And the test message We want to show our user no network connection or network error here. Ensure you type it as a string. So enclose it. You can change it to long, but we want to use short. Now let's call our custom error page. Since this page is inside our app, it will load up. So we use file triple slash triple forward slash then the location of our page. That is all here.